Alright, girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I'm having fun with a great song here from Jay Webb, What You Waiting For. So Jay, he found his love of his life, and yes, he just went for it. So what he's waiting for, I don't know. What are we waiting for? This tutorial. So let's go into this with Cape on second. We're gonna look into the picking patterns here. We have one for verse and one for chords, and that's it. But we can also combine that with some cool strumming, simple one. That's it. So first setup, Cape on second, absolute best scenario for our chords. And we're gonna learn them now first. We have 5 different chords. So let's start with this E minor add 9. Okay, so you're gonna play open E string, then second A, then fourth D, then open G, open B, and open E. We also have the E minor 7, so you have this grip. It goes open E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. Okay, then we're gonna move on with the G. That goes third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. We have C next, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then you have the D add 4, exactly the same grip as the C. You place it on this position. So you go up to the 5th A, 2nd D, sorry, not second, 4th D, then open G, 3rd B, and try to stay away from that last E string. You could play it, it doesn't harm too much, but yeah, still the focus is in the strings between the 2 E's, okay? That is where we are playing. And that is the last chord we need to learn. So we're gonna start with the melody first, because I think that is the meat and potato of the song, because it just sounds better to play this with a melody. So let's start with the verse. We have the E minor add 9, then G, and then the D add 4. That's the chord progression. So E minor, the melody for that goes like this. So hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play open E string, second A, 4th D, open G, short little pause there, and then back to 4th D and second A. Then comes the G part, and you can hold actually just a 3rd fret E string to start with, but you're gonna use also the 2nd fret G string, so have that prepared. You're gonna play like this. So 3rd fret E, open D, open G, back to open D, then comes this part. You're gonna use the hammer on and pull off technique there, so you're gonna pick the 1st fret, sorry, the 1st open G, then you're gonna hammer on to get the 2nd G, and you're gonna pull off that 2nd G to get back to the open G, and then finally gonna play the open D. So the G part was, alright, then you're gonna play the final D add 4 chord. You're gonna hold it as it is, and you're gonna play this. Okay, so 5th fret A, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, open G, and 4th D. And short little pause, and then you're gonna start all over again with 5th A, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, open G, 4th D, and open G. That open G is the only difference from the first half. You're gonna add that on there. Otherwise, it's played 2 similar ways, but you're gonna add on that open G in the end. And that is the last note of that verse play. So I'm gonna take you through this slowly, nice and steady. E minor, G, and D add. Let's go. right, you're gonna play that part for 3 rounds. Then we're gonna hit that chorus about 37 seconds in. Baby, what you're waiting for, that is the question in the lyrics, and that is the title of the song. So let's go through the chords now. We have the C, the E minor 7, the G, and the D add 4. That is the new chord progression for chorus. And the C part goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 3rd fret A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, then open G, and 2nd D. Okay, so that is that, and then you're gonna go over to the E minor 7 and play this part. So you hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play open E string, 2nd A, then open G, open D, then 3rd B, open G, open D, and open G. Next chord is the G part. It goes like this. Now it's enough to just hold the 3rd fret E string in the bass. You're gonna play 3rd E, open D, open G, and open B, then open G, open D, and open G. And then you finally gonna end with that D add 4. You hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play this. And that is 5th A, 4th D, open G, back to 4th D, 3rd B, open G, 4th D, and open G. That is the last note of that chorus play. So I'm going to take you through now. The C, E minor, G, and D goes like this. So there you have both versions there of verse play and chorus. The chorus here you're gonna play for 4 rounds. Then you're gonna jump back to this 2nd verse and play that for 3 times again. So it's played exactly the same way as the 1st verse, no changes there. And then you're gonna play the final part of the song actually, because that is to play the chorus. And that chorus is played together with the bridge, together with the outro, and also the chorus and everything. You're gonna play the same for, I think it's 11 rounds actually. 11 rounds of that chorus play. And that's it for the song when it comes to the melody. Now, we're gonna look into the strumming as well, okay? So, the strumming for this is very simple. If you grab the 1st chord there, the E minor for the verse play, E minor add 9. So, you're gonna play this. Okay, so it's down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up. A couple of rounds. And so on. All right, so for the verse play, you're gonna play E minor add 9, 1 string around, G, 1 string around, and the D add 4, 2 string rounds. That's it. So that is 1 round. You're gonna follow the same amount of times you're gonna play for melody. Of course, you're gonna play that for strumming as well. So 3 rounds of that in the verse play, and then comes the chorus. You're gonna play C 1, E minor 7 1, G 1, and the D add 1 like this. And you follow the same patterns there, guys. So melody or strumming, it's up to you. That is Jay Webb's What You Waiting For. So grab a guitar and just start to play. Don't wait. Hope you have a nice day and a beautiful sunny weather out wherever you are. And till next time, guys, play tuned.